are flowers, rainbows in skies and people on towers. Blue magical dragons, powder with wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Chocolate ice cream and sugar-coated crackers. Teddies and dollhouse and also toy soldiers. Monkeys that chatter with mischief on swing. These are a few of my favorite things. Kitten in t-shirts and lion in cages. People reading books and flipping pages. People like singing and dancing in spring. These are a few of my favorite things. When the cat scratch, when the lion strikes, when I'm feeling bad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Very loud.
Hey, it's very good. Would you like to say thank you? Bow together. Bow together as a group.